Hello, today we're going to take a look at different kinds of weather and some words that describe the weather as well as the clothes that we wear. Hoy vamos a usar unas palabras para describir el clima y también la ropa que usamos con climas diferentes. So, for example, we might have rainy weather. Rainy weather is something where it might be a little cold, it might be wet, so we might need something like an umbrella. So the umbrella might be large, it might be colorful, and it might be dry on one side and wet on the other side. Another kind of weather that we might have is sunny weather. Sunny weather cuando está soleado. So I might say it's warm or even hot outside. In sunny weather, I might wear short sleeves instead of long sleeves. Another kind of weather is partly cloudy, partly como una parte nada más de nubes. Cloudy, en cambio, or cloudy, is whenever there are more clouds instead of just part of the sky. Foggy is different. Foggy is when it's a little bit hard to see. So I might say that it is difficult to see, or the clouds are low to the ground. That's foggy weather. Windy weather is cuando hay mucho viento. So my hair might be blowing, leaves might be blowing. I might need some kind of a jacket if it's too windy out or too cold out. Another kind of weather is when it's snowy, cuando hay nieve. Now, when it's snowy weather, we have lots of clothes to wear. We might need a hat that's warm, it feels soft. So we might need a hat. We might need to wear a scarf as well. The scarf is long. It is black. It's a long black scarf. I also might need to wear things like gloves or mittens. These gloves are sparkly and they're warm. Those are all things that we might need to wear if it's snowy. One more item that I forgot to mention, una cosa que se me olvidó de mencionar. If it's sunny outside, we might need some sunglasses. You might say that your sunglasses are cool. You might say that your sunglasses are helpful because they help you whenever it is sunny outside. These are words that describe our weather and what we might use for each kind.